In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Xero. Logging out properly is a small step, but it's really important for keeping your financial data secure, especially if you share a computer or move between different devices during the day. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can sign out with confidence every time. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website, then sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. This is the main page where you usually see things like your bank accounts, invoices, and other key information about your business. Make sure the page has fully loaded so that all the menu options and icons are visible. Now, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the screen. Up there, you should see a small profile area. In most cases, it appears as your initials, a profile picture, or a simple user icon. This profile icon is where Xero keeps all of your account-related options, including the logout button. Move your mouse to that profile icon and click on it. When you click, a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu usually includes items like your account settings, profile details, and sometimes options related to your subscriptions or organizations, depending on your level of access. What we're interested in here is the option to safely sign out. Look through the drop-down menu and find the option labeled Log Out. It's typically located toward the bottom of that menu, so you may need to glance down the list to spot it. Once you see Log Out, click on it. After you click Log Out, Xero will close your session and take you away from the dashboard. In many cases, you'll be redirected to the login page or to a simple confirmation page letting you know you've successfully signed out. At this point, you're no longer logged in, which means your accounting information is protected and no one else can access it from that browser window. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's a good habit to close the browser tab or window after logging out, and even clear your browsing history if needed for added privacy. But that's all there is to it. With just a click on your profile icon and then log out, you can safely exit Xero anytime you're done working.